Hello, class, and welcome back to our first day of online learning on our virtual classroom. To help me present our agenda for today, I have my dog, Charlie. We are going to be looking for literacy at New Year's celebrations. So in this activity, we're going to be learning about different cultures and different places around the world, how they celebrate New Year's, and then you're going to make connections to yourself and talk about how you celebrate New Year's, or for example, how your culture may recognize the New Year or when they recognize the New Year. For grade 2 in science, you have an introduction to simple machines. For this activity, you are going to watch a short video, then you're going to make connections to your home environment and community, and then you have to go on a scavenger hunt. For grade 3, for your science work, you are going to be doing an introduction to strong and stable structures. For this activity, you are going to watch a short video as well. You're going to make connections to your home and community environment, and then you are going to go on a scavenger hunt. So boys and girls, remember to try your best and to have fun learning. Remember that I'm here to help you if you ever need anything. I look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. And also remember, we have a meeting at 1 o'clock p.m. So boys and girls, please make sure you're there. I'm going to be taking attendance. I can't wait to see everyone. And make sure you have one item that you would like to share with the classroom. It could be something you got for Christmas. It could be something that you're really interested in, or perhaps a hobby. But I can't wait to see what everyone brings to the classroom tomorrow. Have fun learning today and see you tomorrow. Bye.